Okay, so hello everyone. My today's topic is all about built-in modules in Python. So we have many built-in modules in Python. And then just first of all, the introduction about built-in modules or some basic things. First of all, Python is one of the most popular programming language because of its vast collection of modules, and also it is easy to write the code, and as well it saves the time also. Okay, and obviously we can have various types of modules in Python, which includes maybe built-in modules like external modules, etc. And coming to main topic, that is built-in modules. Python built-in modules are a set of libraries that come pre-installed with the installation. Okay, so obviously it saves our time and everything, and some example of built-in modules are OS, that is operating system. Then you can say that what you can say system sys, then math, then date and time. So likewise we have many inbuilt modules. Right now in this video we are going to focus only on introduction part, that is built-in modules, and also the everything related to random modules right now. But before obviously we start it, this is my first video related to built-in modules, and if you are interested in checking only the list of modules, then you can type help, and in single quotation, suppose if I am writing modules and close the round bracket, and if I press enter, so obviously you will find one message like please wait a moment while I gather everything, and you all can see list of modules. Okay, so that is let's say here, see here it is a random modules. Then for example, if it is OS, see here OS module is there. Then date and time is also there. Then SYS system. Okay, so there are so many built-in modules. Okay, so first of all, obviously, we will check about this thing, what you can say, random modules only. So first of all, in my first simple program, okay, I'm going to print randomly any integer from the given range. So we have to write import, and I will write import random. Okay, then I will let's say for example we have one variable a is equal to random dot, and we have to use one inbuilt function inside of random module, that is rand integer. So and you have to specify the range also, for example 0 comma 100. So we are interested in random numbers between 0 to 100. So print a, let's see what output we are getting. See, we are getting 60, any random number. So one more time if I execute, so next time it is like 12. So randomly you can print any integer from the given range, that is using rand int function. That is possible. But in Python we have one inbuilt what you can say inbuilt random function which gives you any floating point number between 0 to 1 only. So it can be 0.3, 3275, 0.5612, something like that. So if you want, you can try that also. Like for example, here only I am writing print, and if I write a random function, just 1 minute. Okay, Control S. Let's see what output. Okay, yes, we have to import the module actually. So here you have to write from random import random function. So now it is possible to get the answer. See, we are getting 0.965. Suppose if I execute one more time, run module, next time we are getting something like 0.555. But just remember one thing, it will be always in the range between 0 to 1 only. Okay, so next thing is we have a random dot choice function. So in that case also, suppose if I write import and if I write random, oh, 1 minute, random. Okay, and suppose it works with a list, it works with a string, it works with the tuples. Suppose we have a list, for example, a is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, suppose. Okay, and then if I write directly in the print only random dot choice. Okay, and we have stored we have a list in our variable a. So in the parameter bracket we will write a. So randomly it is going to choose, or choice will be obviously choose any one number from the given range 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So let us check the output of this also. See, and if I execute second time, for example, see some other number 7. Okay, so that is with the list. But suppose you have a instead of list, if you have a tuples, that is actually a round bracket. So in the same program only, that minor editing, just I'm removing square bracket, and instead of square bracket will be a round bracket, and control S F5. We are getting 1. That is also possible with tuples, it means. And suppose if you have a string a is equal to, and if I write hello, something like this, control S and F5. So it is showing H. So it will work with the string, it will work with the tuples, it will work with the uh, list, string, tuples, anything. Okay. Now the next one is the sample function. Okay. So from random, we have to import sample. Okay. Now, what is the purpose of sample is nothing but, suppose if I have a list, 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7, I am writing some number. And suppose if I write print, and directly if I write sample, okay, and our list is stored in variable A. So I will write sample, open the bracket A, comma, and we are interested in displaying any 3 number or any 2 number, suppose any 2. So I will write 2 over here. Okay, and then I will close the bracket. So now let us check the output of this, control S. So you will get any 2 number. Okay, not necessarily same. Suppose if I execute one more time, some next time you will get some different number. Okay, so sample will sample the numbers from the given list, and it works with the tuples also, it works with the string also. If you want, we can write something as a string also. Suppose in double quotation, if I write 4 5 2 1 3 9 8 7, something like any number, something like this, and we are interested in sampling 4 numbers, so control S and let's see it is 4 7 3 2, randomly any 4. Okay, so that is all about sample. Okay, it also works with what you can say, this thing, uh, tuples also, tuples. Okay, string, tuples, it works everything. Now the next one, like random integer is for random displaying only integer value. But suppose you are interested in shuffling your list. Suppose shuffling your list means what? Okay, suppose if I write import, and if I write random. Okay, and suppose a is equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7. Suppose I have a list that is a equal to 1, comma 2, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5, comma 6, comma 7. And now what I will do is I will write one command that is random dot, and we are interested in doing what? Shuffle. So obviously I will write shuffle. See, it is coming, and inside this shuffle parameter bracket, obviously I'm going to write the name of our list variable, and then if I print, okay, so it will shuffle that, and also it will store the answer in the same variable. So in this case, what we will do, we will print a before shuffle, and we will print a after shuffle. Let's see what two outputs we are getting. Obviously for this, it will print 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 as it is only. But once you are done with the random shuffle command, you will get the same 7 numbers only, but not in the same order. So let's check the output of this. See, initially we are getting obviously 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, but after shuffling we are getting same thing, only 7 numbers, but in not the same order. It is in the random order. And suppose if I write one more time, print a, suppose uh, so I am doing shuffling one more time. Actually, it is like I am doing shuffling 2 times, and this is just to print original. So let us check the output of this now. See, again here it is like shuffle, shuffle. Sometimes you may get same output, sometimes you may get some another output also. So that is all about actually I can say random, that is random function also, random integer also, you can say choice, you can say shuffle. There are so many things possible with this modules. So thank you everyone. In my next video I'm going to cover all the things related to date and time. Okay, see you soon. Thank you everyone.